Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Tram Mai. We are breaking in right now to tell you about a breaking news situation happening at Central High School. We want to show you a live shot right now from Sky 12. Now, this is all the information that we know. It was tweeted by Phoenix Police that basically Central High School was put on lockdown. Police are responding to a fight that happened there and, quote, popping sounds nearby. We have not confirmed yet if there were gunshots that were fired at this high school. But as you can see right now from Sky 12, there are numerous cruisers on the scene right now. Police, we know, are actually going from building to building. They have closed down both sides of Central Avenue. Again, both sides are closed. They want to let parents know that they need to stay away from that area right now. The entire area is completely blocked off. We also know that 3 other schools are also in lockdown. These schools are all located near the central corridor. So we're talking about Xavier, that is closed as well, that is being put on lockdown. That's located near 7th Street and Camelback. We know Brophy is also on lockdown. That is located near Central and Camelback, as well as the Phoenix Coding Academy, which is also located on Central and Camelback. Once again, giving you live pictures right now from the scene. You can see people, don't know if that's staff or students, but with their hands behind their heads. We know that the entire school, again, is on lockdown, along with 3 other schools nearby. You can see police tape there, and again, numerous cruisers are surrounding the scene. We know that this school, Central High School, is part of the Phoenix Union High School District. It's one of the largest high school districts in the nation. Their first day of school was back on Monday, August the 8th. So now we are fast forward a month into school starting, and already there is a big police presence that you can see right there.